Welcome everyone to this video by Real Life Trading. My name is Brad Reed and I am a real life trader. I'd like to encourage you to be good, and by good I mean get out of debt, achieve your financial dreams, and give generously to your community. This is the day trading floor, but wanted to record a quick video. So you see these stocks over here on the right, some of the day trades we've been looking at today. In the last couple of weeks, we've noticed that the market has been doing some strange things. Let me zoom in on that. Obviously, a really big bearish run, and now we've had these really kind of big, wild swings up and down. The market has been on, what is it, like a 9-year bullish run. And if you look at the size of the candles here compared to anywhere over here, for the last 2 or 3 weeks, it's been consistently making some pretty big wild candles in both directions. So there's a time kind of back in here that reminds me of what's happening now. A very strong pullback into an old support. And then if we look at what happened later, right, we had all this stuff happen. That may be what we get over the next couple of months. By next couple of months, 2 or 3 to maybe 18 months. And yeah, I know that's a really big range. But here's what I'm saying. The market might change. If you look at the really nice bullish run we had before that, we had a really nice bullish run before this. Going forward, the market might change. Now, what that means is you might need to change your trading style. Most likely, you're going to keep your trading style keep your trading style the same and just wait for the market to come back to meeting your trading plan. That's what a lot of us are doing. Hence, I'm recording this video because a lot of us, our trading plan is just not being met by the market right now. So we're waiting. And instead of looking at day trades, we're talking about this kind of stuff. My family has a 401k. We also have a couple of IRAs and a Roth IRA. Many families have a 401k or a 403b is what we call them in the United States. Canada has, I think it's an RSPP, but a lot of different places have these different retirement plans that have limited choices. Well, that's kind of the key thing. The IRAs, you pretty much have unlimited choices, and you need to have a competent financial advisor managing those if you are not successfully managing those yourself. If you want to see a video, come to youtube.com, do a search for Real Life Trading, choosing the best financial advisor. And if you do that, you'll come up with how to choose. So let's call it that. How to choose the best financial advisor. And you will get this video here that I recorded, 3 years ago. I need to redo that one. It'll be the same content, but it'll be what to look for in a financial advisor so you know you're getting a good one. If you have an account that can be managed by a competent financial advisor, do it. Now, if you are extremely successful at trading and you want to do it yourself, that's great. But if not, maybe you're new. Maybe you are, some months you win, some months you don't. Get someone that's consistent to manage that for you. Now, this video is going to be concerned with the 401ks and those that are not able to be managed by a financial advisor, or at least not one that you can choose. I know the 401k that we have, they can say, you can have someone watch it for you. And that someone, honestly, they don't. They just let it ride. They haven't changed anything ever. So yeah, I'm going to take that over myself and change it. So for these types of accounts, you generally have a couple of different mutual funds, and those mutual funds go up or down with the market, and you need to do something every now and then called rebalance the mutual funds. So if you wanted to have an 8% in this one and 12% in this one and 16% over here and 3% over there, as the market changes, those percentages go out of balance. So here's an example. What you're looking at now is the SPY. If we were to, this is the S&P 500, kind of the overall market. If we look at the energy sector, XLE, you'll see that looks vastly different than the SPY. If we looked at XLK, which is a technology ETF, that looks wildly different as well. And then we can look at things like retail. And the reason you have a lot of these different ETFs and mutual funds in your 401k is to diversify and sort of protect yourself against downside. Now, if you've been in a fund, like which one was I looking for? XLK, I think. Yeah, if you've been in a fund like XLK, one that's been going up like crazy, maybe you wanted 10% of your portfolio on this. By now, the way this one is growing and the way the energy sector is not growing, you might be more like 30% in the technology, and instead of being 10% in energy, you might be down to like 6 or 5%. You need to rebalance. You need to restructure, because what happens is all of these things are going to move in ebbs and flows, and if you can rebalance now, you protect yourself from downside. What do you think the energy sector is likely to do? It could come down, and if so, that nice 30% gain that you've had, it's going to go away. It could go sideways. It could go up. Well, if it goes up again and you rebalance your portfolio, you're still going to get gains. If you rebalance your portfolio and it goes down, you have locked in nice gains, and the downside risk is mitigated or at least minimized. And if it goes sideways, well, then it goes sideways. But the idea is, if you're right and it continues, or if I'm right and some of these that have been going up like crazy go down, your risk is mitigated. If I'm wrong and these things continue going up, you will still make money. So it's a good idea to come back every year or every couple of years and rebalance your portfolio. And in my opinion, the SPY, the overall market, may be signifying that it's about to change, right? There it went sideways. Here we had some craziness, and we had some pretty big up and down swings for 2 or 3 years, and we're getting some craziness again and again. I think we go sideways and get a couple of crazy years. Tomorrow, I will be sending out a video that I record with my broker, or excuse me, not my broker, one of my financial advisors, Lauren Olson from Retirement Resources, and he's going to go over his trading strategy. He uses mutual funds, but he actively trades mutual funds, and he's had some really, really great performance. So that video will be coming out tomorrow. But for today, just realize that the market is going through some changes. And if you have not rebalanced your portfolios recently, now would be a great time to do so. For more videos like this, go to www.reallifetrading.com. And as always, trade on logic, not on hope. Have a good one, everybody.